Hello guys, well welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be adding carbon fiber to our interior to make it look better, to make it look cleaner, but also to match the steering wheel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Alright guys, well I want to start with telling you how I ended up with carbon add-ons. So I was on the market for carbon, and you know carbon is getting more popular in the interior. So after going on Instagram, you know, they're one of the most popular companies out there, I decided to give them a try. I ordered a shift knob, the shift knob came in and it looked wonderful, just like the steering wheel. So with that being said, I decided, you know, let's go ahead and get more products in. But again, you don't want to order all the products from one company because you don't know how they're going to look. So my first test was the shift knob and it looked phenomenal. So then I decided to get more carbon fiber, and this time I'm going to make a video. Now on Instagram, I did post my fake shift knob and my real carbon fiber shift knob, and it's a day and night difference. So I'm really have high expectations for the products in here, and I'm so excited to get them installed. Alright guys, so before we start the unboxing, I have a special announcement to make in this channel, and this is going to be one of the biggest achievements that has been here for me, and hopefully you take this as a personal achievement, because without you this would not be possible. So the special announcement wasn't made on Instagram family, YouTube family are going to find out right now at this exact moment that I am officially working with Carbonaddons. That's correct, I'm working with Carbonaddons. I wanted to give you a story time, that way you know that I'm not just working with them just to get whatever sponsorships. I'm actually working with them because I love their products. I wasn't sponsored on the first product, so it was all honest review, and I decided to go back at them and go buy more. So what does this bring to you? I'm going to leave a coupon code for you for being my viewer, for being my follower, and a special thanks to you, a shout out to you, because without you this couldn't be possible. If you ever liked, if you ever subscribed, or even if you're viewing this video right now, you're helping me out a lot by giving me motivation to keep doing videos that will help the community, that will help you, and will help 5Gen Camaro owners. So a special thanks to you, and I also want to thank Carbonaddons for giving me the opportunity to review these products for you, to see if they're up to standards as the shift knob, because again, even though I'm getting sponsored, I am going to be transparent with you, because again, I'm trying to save you money. This is why I started my channel, is to help and to give information that you don't find nowhere else. But my main goal is to save you money, to review the products that you don't really find out in the market, and any questions you have, I'm here to answer them. So without getting further ado, let's go ahead and start the unboxing. And alright guys, so let's just go ahead and start the unboxing. This shouldn't take any longer. I'm gonna go ahead and get this tape out of the way. Unbox it, and this is what you see. So it's a little mysterious here. I'm gonna take the paper, and here we're gonna have our cup holder with a little package like this, and it also has some extra pieces that we'll find out what that's for. This is gonna be our handbrake cover, and it's looking good, man. It's looking phenomenal. This one you can really tell the fibers, but man, on this one you can really tell, and I'll get a close-up look here in a bit. Then we're gonna have our air vent covers. That's just gonna be for the circular air vents. I didn't buy the whole air vent in the middle. And then here we're gonna find for the door. This is gonna be the door switches, panel, however you wanna call it. And man, this is looking good. Like I said, I'll give you a close-up look. That way you see what's up in here. And also you get a freshener, but you can also purchase them. Now, I didn't purchase this one, so I'm guessing it's just free. Get some wipies, and then you just get your order, a sticker. This is pretty much a receipt, and that's it on the box. So this is the products that I bought, products that I got for this installation. Again, there's a lot more products, but this is what I wanted to start off with. So let's just go ahead and bring you on a little close-up. All right, well, this is a little close-up. You still can't see anything. You see this one, you can kind of tell. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the packages, and then I'll show you the actual products without packaging, okay? Well, there you have it. Take a look at those fibers. That's the vents I was talking about. That's the handbrake. And this is for the door switches. Man, this looks real good. Can't wait to install it. And I'm sure it's gonna look much better in the interior. Now, one of my main goals for this video is going to be show you the actual product. Because as you know, carbon fiber, when you take pictures of it, when you take videos of it, it looks kind of tricky to the eye. Like right now, you're not seeing what I'm seeing. The camera kind of changes stuff up. So my goal for this video is to show you exactly how you're gonna see it in your car. So with that being said, at the end of this video, I will add a little photo shoot with some edits, but I'm not gonna edit the carbon fiber to look better or worse. I'm gonna edit it to make it look exactly how you're gonna see it if you were sitting down in your Camaro. So the camera does not do this justice, but man, look at that. Just look at those fibers. It's gonna look amazing. So this is the time where I'm gonna go ahead and clean the car and get it ready for installation. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is clean all the surfaces. Just kind of do a quick detail. Now for this one, I do have fake carbon fibers, so I am gonna have to take care of this first before I install this. But the rest is just pretty much just cleaning it. That way you make sure it makes a good contact with the glue. So let's just go ahead and do that.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past.
Alright, well this is the masterpiece right here. This is the inlay. As you can see, it fits perfectly in there. So it looks good. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna use the alcohol pads, clean all this area, and then stick it little by little to ensure that it sticks on perfectly in there. So they provide these, and we're just gonna clean it. And these areas are usually really dirty, but again, I already did it with my own cleaner, but this is alcohol, so it's different. So now, where do we want to start? Let's start from the top. I'm gonna get a 3M. And peel. And you can see a little layer of carbon fiber and then of glue. So again, it's real carbon fiber here. Okay, so we're gonna peel it out. Get this side first to ensure it fits good. And don't stick it in there yet. Don't put pressure, just in case you gotta do some changes later on. So let it stick in. Now the only part that is not covered, it looks like it's gonna be right here. I wish they had this all covered, but I mean that still looks nice. And now this white, we could clean it up with a little cleaner again and clean that residue from the alcohol, and that will give it a shine black again. There you go. And alright, now we're gonna start cleaning this. All the products, before installing them, you want to do this right here. So for the rest of the video, I'm not going to show you this process, but this is pretty much what we're going to do it to all the products that we're going to be installing. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to start peeling once again. Alright, there you have it. Now, I'm going to work our corners, and again, no pressure. You don't want to put pressure to the very end. So, Should slide right in. Just as you need. And right there looks perfect to me. Work your way around it. Make sure every piece gets stuck. And simple as that. Alright, so this is ready. It's done. Now, here's a little comparison. Real carbon fiber, eBay fake carbon fiber. There you go. Right now you're not seeing the best results right now because how you see it in real life and how you're seeing it on this camera is not the same. So remember, I am going to be editing some pictures at the end of this video, so don't forget to stick by because you are going to see exactly how I'm looking at it right now. There you have that bottom piece. Now for the second piece, is a little inlay I was telling you about. It's for like your finger. That's the reason why the carbon fiber has that hole in there.
Push and pull and repel any hate. Go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
And let's go ahead and start peeling this one as well. And there you go. Now, we'll find the way we want it. And that right there, it's how you want it. And now the top piece. Make sure you align it. And there you have it. Carbon fiber handbrake.
About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams.
Alright guys, well this is the end of the video. Thank you for sticking by. Hope you enjoy this video, and again, thank you because things like this could not be done without your help. And again, Carbonaddons, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to review these products for you. Again, I'll leave the code right now. That code is going to give you a discount, and also I'll leave the link in the description for you. So I totally recommend this product, easy install, and it looks amazing. And again, I'm going to stay transparent, so I love these products, and this is my honest review. Regardless of who I'm working with, I'm always going to commit to bring you the honest reviews. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you till next video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.